Welcome to the new IKEA in Chantilly, Virginia.
Your son uses it so much. I want to go inside.
You want to go inside? Yeah, go inside. Can't show much, there's too many people. A lot of people. So cool. I haven't been into one of IKEA in many years. It's your bathroom section. This is bathroom and bedroom. Yeah. You're looking for the dorm room. Like, yeah, this is like a regular bedroom. Let's go look at somewhere else. Like a dorm room thing.
I didn't bring my wallet because you told me not to.
I didn't say anything about wallet, did I? I don't remember. Oh, it's on reduced prices. Kids room.
It's called Mala. Or whatever.
Easel Mala softwood. That's got a red. Oh, this is so cute. It's a what?
Record player?
Yeah, it's a. What is it? It's a. No. It's not cassette tape. It's like what do you call it? It's not a gramophone. It's the old format of CD. It's like a gramophone type. No, not a floppy disk. What does it say? Yes. So this turns and then you put this in here. It's like a. Oh, the name is not coming. Oh, this is the like a college thing.
I'm not taking it to check.
I know. Well, what is it that you're looking? I like this setting.
Oh, there's stuff this way.
Which way? Yes.
It's more like children.
Oh, this is the arts and crafts area for children.
Oh, this is like for children's bed.
Yeah.
Drawers you have.
Uh-huh.
Like I saw stuff where like you have the drawers with wheels, so it's easier to take up to the dorms.
Okay.
Like you don't have to carry it; you just put it on the elevator. And you go.
Okay, then let's go look for it where if they have it.
Maybe Walmart has it.
Okay. Yeah, so cool. Yes. Tells you.
Should I take utensils there or?
Do you take utensils if you're gonna cook? Grab. Well, no. We have a lot of plastic utensils. Oh, so the shopping carts are here. Look, they've got the shopping carts inside, so you can just. What is this? Overmat?
Do I need a desk lamp?
Yes.
So like the one you guys have, the bulb broke.
Yes, you do need a desk lamp. Do you want to buy it now?
I mean, you can always check if Walmart has it cheaper. It's like right across.
Yeah.
Do I need plates? Hangers?
I don't know if you have space for hangers. You probably, maybe one or two hangers.
I know there's this thing online where it's like a hanger, like you can put
And-
4 things on one hanger.
Yeah, that's what you need. This is so. This is what we need. This is what I need. This is the kitchen section. Well, you do have. You're gonna be coming home every weekend, right? Yeah. Well, we know where it is. We can always come back before you leave. These are the. You need stuff like this. Oh, that's for the kitchen. Never mind.
I mean, like an organizing something like that.
See,
This is-
we can.
This is
We
for like spoons. And this is for the knife.
yeah, see, we can
It's
do
better
that.
for you guys.
Yeah, instead of putting it in the drawer. No, it looks like I'm in a chemistry lab. Let me see. Rugs. If you want to, how much is a rug? It's $20 or
I don't know.
do you like this rug?
It's
Very
okay.
soft.
It's okay.
And then you need a rug
But I need to know like where I would put it there.
on the floor.
I mean, I would take it.
So do you want it? How much is it? Oh, the stopper? You have to buy a stopper as well. So what's the point?
Stop it for the rug?
Yeah, for the rug to like it won't slip.
Doesn't matter. I have like something on top of it.
What are these shower curtains? It's all white. You need a better towel. All curtains here. Let's go to a different place. It's everything a home needs.
Oh, like storage.
Yes, let's go. You can borrow an IKEA bag. Aha, this is the thing that we need. Clothes to hang up. I don't know if you need this.
I might.
How much?
But I don't know how much space I'll have. It's not, like, this will take up the entire like walkway.
Yes. What is this? Clothes hanger? Where do you hang this?
What is this?
It's a clothes hanger. But how?
I think it's like a contraption.
Yeah, but you have to add it.
You have to. Hook
Oh,
it
it's
on
probably for a baby.
an ornament.
Do you need Drona? This is for like more like laundry or not so heavy
Like-
stuff.
But you can store a lot of stuff in it.
Yeah, this is why we need boxes right now. What do you think? These are expensive.
Good to have.
How much is it? $5? Do you want it?
I think I'll need it.
What is? This is the same thing.
Except with it is the same thing.
It's like a hamper,
It's a hamper.
laundry hamper, or
Yeah, it's this same thing.
same thing.
Yeah, same thing. Is it $5 too? Sure, same thing. So it's probably $5.
Yeah, fits perfectly.
Oh, this is
Shelving
just an assemble. That's it.
Okay. Do you want it right
I
now?
feel like you guys would need it. I would also need it.
Look at all these lights.
People also have
I know. Oops. Oh. Let's go, let's go. Got napkins.
I'm gonna need a table. Like, can we get our table? The extra table?
No, you need a folded table. Yeah, the extra, yeah, the one that we have.
Or is it the one that the Debbie has? Or?
The one that she uses for sewing, you can use that, or the one that's
so low.
the one. Yeah, we can talk about that later.
It's so like easier. Why doesn't every store have this?
The way this organized.
No, the shopping cart.
Target has something like this. Yes, they do. Well, something similar. It's like you pull the handle.
Right?
Does it fit?
It fits. I mean, it's probably bigger because of socks.
Okay. Yes. Aren't they gonna provide with a trash can? What about bath mats? Bath mats. A simple.
Okay, bath mats are bathroom, and I'm not buying for a bathroom that everyone's using.
Shared bathroom?
Communal.
Oh, then you okay. Then you don't even need a slipper.
Yeah, but like
Okay.
everyone's using it.
Okay, all right.
It's better to this.
It's all bathroom, but you do need a trash can.
For inside.
Yeah, maybe we can buy it from Walmart.
Yeah, we can check.
The mini trash cans are like $15. What?
But I know there's like this can, like this big, like imagine this was a trash can.
It's all over here. See? Hey, we're back to where we are. Oh, it's so cool. You mean something like this? Oh no, this is a real. This thing, look. This thing is a hamper. It's also a hamper.
Is that a trash can? Or?
No, it's a hamper. That's fine. This is where you put your clothes and laundry hamper. And this is what we need.
But the what's called?
What we need.
No, but the ladder has so much space on it.
Yeah, that's true.
This is like really like flimsy and like thin.
Yeah, that's why I don't choose it. Oh, there's this thing. I wonder what this is. This is not just Bergenus holder for mobile phones. Oh, so you put it together.
What?
Like it's mobile. Like I think you have to buy two of them. Like you attach it, and then you put your phone on it.
I buy 2 phones for this.
Or you just, I don't know, maybe you put it like this.
The case. Such a waste.
Or like this. What? Magazine file. This is magazine file.
No, this one. This is in the.
Put something in it.
Like a frame? Is this a frame?
No, it's something. Doesn't tell you, does it? It
It's
says
all in sweet.
felt tip pen 24 rack. No, this is not felt tip pen.
It's so good.
It says guard is guard. Something. I think you put stuff in it, like some paper. That's plastic stuff. You want to get a light?
We all need batteries?
Maybe some do, some don't, or all do, and all don't. Do you need this charger, cable charger?
Maybe. I think it'll be good to have, but I don't know if my roommate's gonna.
Wait, they sell chargers?
Yeah. They have everything.
Yeah. It's all the same price. $10.
Is it cheaper at Walmart?
No, it's about the same.
You need a
$8.
charger too.
I have a charger.
Oh, okay.
But these are good. These are what we... Oh, this is a cute one.
It's 130.
Yeah. Allows you to listen to your favorite music or podcast. All you need is your phone.
Music on this?
You can listen to podcasts from your phone. You need to connect it for your phone.
It's a speaker and a light.
Yeah. Oh, look at this light bulb. Is this a light?
Yeah, I think so. Is it not? It's not plugged in. It's not plugged in.
No, it needs battery. Wait. Did I turn it off?
I switched it.
Yeah, you kitty. No, I turned it on. I'll forget. Okay, whatever.